Hey everybody, check it out. I've got a little collection here that came in the other day, and this collection is Aurora Speedline cars. That's right, Aurora Speedline. Let's get this baby open and see what we got. Aurora Speedlines are pretty cool. It was Aurora's answer to Hot Wheels. It didn't really go over very well, and so the whole program lasted not much more than a year, and they discontinued. They actually started off with some pretty good cars, and then they sort of failed towards the end, and the cars got a little bit worse. And uh-oh, looking like the case got broken on the way. No big deal. It's not really valuable of any kind, this case. The bottom is probably still good. But let's open up the cars. Now, the thing about the Aurora Speedline cars is that they're very fragile. Let's get in here and pull this off. They are very fragile. Yes, let's get this camera on the tripod so we can get going properly. All right, Aurora. I still can't say Aurora. Aurora Speedline cars are very fragile, and in particular, these little window posts. You gotta really be careful when you buy these, because if the window posts are cracked, they're really not worth anything. Now, this is cool. Now, originally, these had a silver stripe on them, and this particular one doesn't have it. Some of them have stripes across the top. Now, this one is gold, which I don't think I have this variation. This is pretty cool. So you never know what you're gonna get in a box of Cracker Jacks. But this one, this gold, is real darn nice. I like that. I'm sure I have some. I'll have to go get them at the end of the video here and see what I have already. Maybe talk a little bit more about them. Aurora Speedline. Here's a common one. This in this common condition too. Worn on top. And possibly a little bent down on the post, but it looks like they're not cracked yet. You really got to magnify them, get in there to see what's what. That was not great. Not great. They're not particularly valuable. There's a few that are popular and, you know, will go over $20. A lot of them are under $20. Oh, this one's nice. Look at that. It seems to be really bright gold. It might be all the light I have on or the magnifiers I'm wearing behind the camera here, but this is a chaparral, and actually looks real nice. That's real nice. Now look at that. That's a richer gold than the other one. And I don't know. I probably have that color. I've got about 300 of these in my collection. They're not particularly valuable, so I don't spend too much time trying to sell them. It definitely looks like there might be some variations, like plain black wheels versus the silver wheels, which are more common. And we got plain black wheels. Not sure I've seen a plain black wheel on a Speedline Corvette, so that's neat. That's neat. I think this is working out pretty well for me. All right, let's see what's next. I think it's a Trino. No, this one's Cobra, missing the windshield. And but the Cobra's actually in pretty darn good shape. Got a little gold trim in there. Yeah, this actually is really nice. Now, if I had a worse Cobra with a windshield, I could glue one on and be good to go. So I might hang on to that. And it's got the black wheel variation. Very interesting. Black wheel variation. All right. Okay, here we go. This is the home run right here. The Torino. The Torino is a tough one. The Torino and also the Charger are both very hard to get. There's some variations, of course. This one is very nice. Got a little bit of the metalizing is missing on the back there, but I'm happy with this. Yeah, I think that's probably better than the Torino I have already. All right. Next one is, oh, look at that. This is the Mangusta. Mangusta. Yeah, it's pretty neat. You know, none of these have stripes on them, and a lot of the ones I have stripes on them. Uh-oh. Why is this? Oh, this one's got like a little steering kind of deal. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. I don't know if I've ever noticed that before on any of the cars. A little steering, huh? I'll put that over here. Interesting. Well, let's put it out here. That is something interesting. I don't believe I've ever noticed that before, so we'll have to take a look at a few more. Here's the T-Bird. Look at that. Again, all black wheels. Interesting. Interesting. There it is. That is the T-Bird. T-Bird. And here we have, the Willys. The Willys, yes. This is a very popular model. This piece here is constantly broken off. Often broken off, I guess would be a better word for that. And look at that. Isn't she pretty? Oh, look at that. It does have silver on this wheel. Interesting. They got real sloppy when they were making these. They really didn't care. They just shoot them out there, and then they didn't really sell. You can't really do a whole lot with them. They're not Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels was the game changer. We all know that. Here's the 4J. 4J. Got a black and a silver and a silver and a black. Black's on the front, silver on the back. Very interesting. Yeah, they mix and match. Stripes on, stripes off. Good color, bad color. Good wheels, bad wheels. And then towards the end, they started leaving out the windshields and everything else. Just throwing whatever they could together. Towards the end of the line, they stopped making the metalized bodies because that was expensive. Here's the Ford GT40. Ford GT40. Look at that. That's a beauty. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? She is pretty. That's right. She is pretty. Two more. In this case. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Come on. There we go. They also made a few nice carrying cases for these with the vinyl covers and everything. Real nice. They made some multi-packs. They made a lot of variety, but... Oh, look at this one. This one has... What is that? A little piece of something on it. Another T-Bird, right? Two T-Birds. See how this one has the stripe and this one doesn't? This one also has the silver wheels. And this one does not. Look at that. The variety, the variation. Very cool. There it is. The variety and variation of the T-Bird. What's the last one? Then I'll bring out some other stuff. If I can find them. Oh, look at that. This one is the Porsche 904. Porsche. Is it Porsche or Porsche? 904. Uh-oh, look at that one. This one's a factory flaw. The axle is sticking through there, so it's going to go Humpty Humpty. Well, that's no good. The sad thing about these is that you cannot get them apart because they have these rivets in them. Some of them, the early ones, had screws, but then they put the rivets in there, and then you can't get them apart. I suppose you could drill those if you knew how. Interesting. All right, let's go get some more of these and see what I've got. Before I bring out those other ones, I think I'm going to use some of my Zymol and give these guys a rub down. I'll just put a little hair on the desk. Give them a little rub down. Let's see, a little finger. Put it up in there. And just give her a little rub down. What the heck? Are we in focus? No, we are not in focus. No. All right, get my beautiful towel. These towels, I get these on Amazon. Cigar. They come in a big old package. About 50 cents a piece, I think. Something like that. I love these little microfibers. These are the small ones. Not those giant ones you get at Costco. The big yellow ones. Those are nice too. But these are the best small ones that I have found. They come in these pretty colors. Hey. Alright, give her a good rub down. Alright, don't have to get out the waxing machine. There we go. Nice and shiny. Yeah. There you go. Alright, let's take a look at Corvette. Now here is a really, there it is. Here is a deep gold Corvette with black wheels. This is the one from the collection. That's right. Now let's take a look at some other Corvettes. Here is sort of a rose gold with rubber tires. One of the variations for all these cigar boxes, rubber tires. I think most of them. Maybe not all of them though. Let's go down here a little bit. See the Corvettes. Let's see what else we got. And here's more of a rose gold. It doesn't look rose gold there, does it? No. Oh, here we go. This one is more of a rose. I guess you can't really see it on the picture there, but here's the gold with a stripe and black wheels. Gold with a stripe and black wheels. And then rose with rubber wheels and rose with... Oh, those are both the same. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to show you some different cars and I'm not having any luck. In reality, these cars look like different colors, but they don't really look like that on this video. Oh well, let's go on to the next one. Here's one of the holy grails of Cigar Speedline collecting, the Dodge Charger. I've only got one decent Dodge Charger, got one that's beat up, and this is the only one I've ever bought. Of course, I haven't been looking at them lately, but this is a tough one. Another hard one to find is the Camaro. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? Here's another one. with the stripe, lighter color, with the plastic wheels, and here with the rubber wheels. Look at that. Hey, race. It's a race. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoa. All right, there it is. Camaro. All right, taking a look at T-Birds. Let's see, we got the gold one with the black wheels in this collection. We got the gold with the black wheels and the stripe in this collection. Here is from my collection a darker gold with rubber tires. Darker gold with rubber tires. And here is a gold with the striped, silver striped tires. Silver lines. Aurora silver lines. Whoops. And here is another one. Also gold with the stripes. I think these two, no, let's see. Well, this one's got black on front, on, well, only one side. Well, that's kind of goofy. So we got those two very similar. And then that one there. All right, from this collection, we have the Torino. And here's my existing Torino that I had in my collection. A nice one. Got the silver wheels. This one's black. This one's more of a rose gold. This one's a little deeper gold. So that's a neat addition. Look at that. A neat addition to the Aurora Cigar Box collection. All right, the Ford GT, purplish with the silver stripe. Here's a purple with rubber tires. And let's see, black wheels on this. Nope, silver wheels on that one. Also silver wheels on that one. Looks like I have two of those now. And what else? There's another that looks to be the same. All right, three of those, and I think that's all. I've never kept a lot of these. Actually don't really find a lot of these because it's a popular car. GT40, it's always been popular. I know when I was a kid, I wanted the model so bad of the GT40 white with the blue stripe. All right, the Chaparral. Nice dark gold on the Chaparral. And here is a light gold. Silver wheels. Look at that, light and dark gold. And this one, it's about a little darker than that one, lighter than that one. And two more. Whoops. Two more. This one's sort of a light gold, and this one a dark gold, a darker gold. These three seem to be about the same. All the same tires. Haven't seen a rubber wheel on the Chaparral. I do like the Chaparral. Look at that. Aren't those cool? Very cool. Next one, the Mangusta, and it does have, all of them have this steering deal. I've never noticed that before. That's the gold that just came in. Here's a light rose, I call it, and here's a really dark one. Look at this thing. Isn't that cool with the rubber tires? That's pretty. Look at that. Oh, yeah. What about this? That's like a darker, kind of in between here. Oh, this one doesn't have a stripe, so it kind of goes like that. This one has a green window. I think this one might be a rare one. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? These look to have like yellowish interior. These two have a whitish interior and green windows. There it is. Look at those. Look at those. These all four are different. How cool is that? All right, on the Willys, this one's real nice with black wheels. It's commonly comes with the stripe on top. Silver wheels, stripe on top, silver wheels. Oh, there's a couple more different shades of light purple. Looks like I may have too many of these, if there is such a thing. Ooh, this one's pretty. Look at that. This one is the shiniest one, I think. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. They're all pretty. Look at that. Look at this. This one is the new one. See, I had all these 6 already, but not this. A variation. Beautiful in the collection. So cool. Here's a couple more you don't see very often. The Firebird. Look at that. The Firebird. I have 4 different Firebirds right there. And here's another one you don't see very often. The Volkswagen. The Volkswagen. I've got 3 or 4 of those. And let's see, from the collection, we got the Cobra. Here it is with the windshield. Here's another one with the windshield. These two have the silver wheels. This one's got the black wheels, so that's kind of cool, huh? And while we're in there, that's all I've got on the Cobra. But check this out. This is one of the hardest ones, too. The Cheetah. This Cheetah always goes very well. I sold one once by accident. don't think I'll do that again. That is just so cool. The Cheetah. All right. All right, the Porsche 904. That's, wait a minute, is it this one? Yes, this one. Purple and the new with the black wheels. Hey, this one also comes in silver. Silver. And look at this, with a green stripe. I've only seen that one once. Green stripe. And here's a more purpley one with silver wheels. And here's a more purpley one with black wheels. Look at that, black wheels and stripe. Black wheels, no stripe, silver, silver, purple with silver wheels, and a darker purple. Look at that. Look at that. Collecting these things could drive you crazy. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Very cool. By the way, they also make Indy cars with rubber wheels and with plastic wheels. I think 5 of them altogether. If I'm not mistaken. No, it's 6. It's 6 Indy cars. Yes. All right, I couldn't find these other 3 models in my collection. I put them away somewhere, but let's take a look at a couple of other neat ones. The Jaguar. Look at that with a red stripe. Jaguar with a red stripe. Oh, actually, there's 2 of them. How pretty are those? And did I show you this one? With the rubber tires. So cool. So very cool. And here is the Mustang convertible. Gotta love that. Mustang convertible. And, oh, of course, then there's the cigar box. Same models, but with the colored plastic. Look at that. There's the Speedline. There's the cigar box right there. And here's a Speedline Ford GT40. Isn't that cool? That's a cool one. Look at that. And I think that's about it. Here is a, oh, Ferrari Berlinetta. Yeah, Ferrari Berlinetta. Very cool. All right. Oh, wait a minute. One more. Here's Ferrari Berlinetta in Speedline. There it is. All right, that's all for today's video. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to check out some of these other videos of mine. Here's one on Speedlines, and just click on the link and watch some more videos. And remember, folks, I've got about 475 videos for your watching pleasure. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and thumbs up would be really nice. I appreciate it, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye now.